Werfel Luxuriate Hour.
Hey, this is me, Jane, and this is the Werfel Luxuriate Hour, and this is the second episode. I'm really excited about having a very special person joining us on the show today. This is Miss Gayatri. Well, she is the founder of Bengaluru's acclaimed architectural firm, Gayatri and Namit Architects, otherwise called GNA. Now, Miss Gayatri Shetty has been designing spaces for over 2 decades, I believe almost 27 years now. She's the recipient of a host of prestigious national and international awards, and she's an absolutely phenomenal architect, a well-acclaimed member of the Council of Architecture, the Indian Institute of Architects, and the Indian Institute of Interior Designers. And it's the first time I actually have an audience on the Werfel Luxuriate Hour. And getting a woohoo from the Werfel team gives me immense pleasure to be in this absolutely fantastic space. I have read a bit about you, and I know that you've an extremely, wide and a vast experience in this industry. But your smile tells me that you've enjoyed every one of these 27 years, right?
Absolutely, totally enjoyed it completely. We started way back in '93 when Namit and me got together, and of course, by which time I was married with a child, and we just kind of got into designing homes and projects one after the other. We were in a small rented office earlier on, started actually in a garage, and then slowly moved to this office, which we absolutely love. From the bustle and hustle of a busy street, we got into this serene space with, acres and acres of the army land next to us.
The design story, if you had to kind of give us the pulse of your design story and how you are what you are today.
I think what we decided, both Namit and me were working at Mistry Architects earlier on, and there, I guess, when you're looking at design, you really with Shahrukh and Renu, there's nothing but passion for design, and this is what you imbibe very, very strongly from them. Hats off to them. They're wonderful, wonderful people. But the thing is that passion really drives you to doing what you have to do when it comes to each and every project that you do. I believe that is what's absolutely important, and I think that's what we did right from the first project to every project that we're doing, bringing in something that's very different, doing something new, and throwing in a lot of passion and fire when we work on these projects.
We're talking about all things luxurious, and that's what you find at Werfel Living. Get complete home interior solutions at Werfel Living, your one-stop shop for all things classy and stylish. Werfel Living has a wide range of collections, from living room options to dining, bedrooms, and furnishing options like rugs, wallpapers, lightings, and artifacts. Werfel provides end-to-end home interior solutions, design, installation, and after-sales services. Ma'am, now tell us, on the Werfel Luxuriate Hour right now, this word luxury has so many different meanings for different people. For most, it's associated usually with money, but I know that it would mean so much more for you. So what is luxury according to you?
I think luxury is, a word that encompasses a lot of things together. I would think texture, I would think space, I would think color, all of it together. And talking just about material, the granite, what is locally found, chapdi as we, architects call it, seems to be something that is there everywhere, and it's as common as anyone can get. But to me, it's a luxury to use granite. I think just the feel of that stone is luxurious. So, and it would be raw stone, which I'm talking about. So there are these thoughts, like you rightly said, it could mean, money, but I believe that it's a lot about, air, light, ventilation, having a green all around you, around your project, within your project, so that your clients enjoy it the most. But I think it's all about texture as well, using different materials, whether it's wood, whether it's stone, whether it's, textiles, use of craft, art, and so many different things. I mean, I think we are lucky having a palette of working with, over products that we can really make use of. and each product given its space really creates that luxury that would mean so much for our clients.
Fantastic. So basically, it's an amalgamation of things, and the best part about some of your work that I see right in front of me is that there is a certain aesthetic which is like somewhat modern, but at the same time it's got some sort of an Indian vibe to it. Is that something that is intentional?
I believe that we're all, as designers in India, are looking for this style which is contemporary Indian, and it is a search, it is a process, and I think what's important is we love the rustic. So at GNA, trying to combine rustic with art, with craftsmanship, with simple lines, going crazy, getting things really complicated as well when it comes to geometry, or really having something that is just larger than life also excites us. So I think it's some place where we would like to use the ordinary in a very extraordinary way.
And I have Miss Gayatri from Gayatri and Namit Architects. So excited about having her here. She is the lady with a big beautiful smile. So for everybody who wants to create that exclusivity in their home, where they're working from home, where they're at home quite a bit, what sort of 4-point guide would you like to give them on the Wurfel Luxuriate Hour today?
I think, it's an interesting point that you bring up, because, a lot of people now have to think about spaces where they live, where they work, and all within, their home. So I would say that point number one is to really look at their spaces and analyze it and see, the kind of area that they have and room that they have and their comfort zones from one room to the other. The second point I would say is to really look at furniture, and today there's a huge range of furniture with starting from something that's extremely basic to something that can go over the top. This is something that you need to do homework on. Third, have fun. Enjoy that whole process. Look at it all. Don't get bogged down. And finally, of course, is to look into colors and textures. I think that's the area where people have the most fun, because it's something what you solely like, individually what you would like as a color, or as a couple, or as a family. I know a lot of people who like to get to their kids and let them decide for a change.
So it's all the more important to kind of work with your designer and make sure that the spaces are kind of private, but at the same time they all need to come together, right? So is this something that you're seeing that people are more like curious and involved into seeing how luxurious their space is today because they're spending more time at home?
I think another way of doing it is also having spaces that are flexible, which means that you have the luxury of space and you have it flexible, so that if you're using it as a certain space, just to talk about a guest room getting converted into an office or an entertainment space. So at any point in time, rather than dividing a larger space into 3 different spaces, you have that one large space that can become a guest room or an entertainment space or an office space.
Absolutely. I mean, we live in an age and generation of, all sorts of orientations. So when we look at one space, orienting it differently, I guess that's where you guys and your magic comes in. But it's really, exciting to be in your office. I love your space. I love what you've done here. But you guys have interacted with the Wurfel team, and I would love for you to give us maybe a little anecdote of your experiences of working with them. How exactly has it been?
What's interesting is that, a home is a home, and you always cater to different generations. So at Wurfel Kitchens, I feel that we are constantly looking at what would really excite and what would really, get the younger generation tick. And it could be things to do with efficiency. It could be things to do with, having a smart kitchen. It could be something with technology, or it could be something that's extremely compact. So these things really are areas where we look at working together and making this vibe happen with different generations. And I think it's been fun doing this all the time.
That's amazing. So your final shout out to everybody, whether it's a kitchen, a bedroom, or like you said, a versatile space that can be converted into an office, or my latest fascination is with gardens and little balconies that have that kind of open but at the same time home feeling. What's your final shout out to Bangalore on behalf of your firm?
I think what's important is to understand your client, make sure you know what they really want, hear their inner voice, because sometimes they are saying things, they're looking at Pinterest, they're looking at different images all over, but what they really want may be something that's very different from the trend. And it's important to pick this up clearly, because you want your client to be happy, you want people to be in happy spaces. I think it's important to bring in energy into spaces in a home especially, and of course in an office, especially with today's time and the previous 9 months that we've had. What we've realized is that people need space, people need comfortable spaces, and I think energy brought into these spaces is what people need. We need to make sure that you have greenery, you have light, you have ventilation, and that all together with all the passion of the architect, the designer, the client, the teamwork that brings in, not forgetting everyone who's involved in this, really helps and bring that very positive energy to spaces.
It's all about good energy, and that's all that I've been feeling, right here at your office as well. Thank you so much for joining us in the Wurfel Luxuriate Hour. Anybody who's usually on my show, and even though this is all about luxury, still we bring it back to the basics by getting everybody in this room to shout out good energy to Bangalore. Can we get a woohoo from everyone? Woohoo! Just a bit. Keep it locked to 94.3 Radio 1.